It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a review on, well, it's kind of like I'm going to give it a good try out throughout the day of the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. Yeah, it's quite an expensive product and I've wanted to try it out for quite a long time, so I finally bought it and I thought I would review it, try it out throughout the day under my makeup, see how it wears and let you guys know how I get on. So if that's something that you fancy watching, then please stay tuned. Right, okay, so first up we'll have a look at the products. Oh dear, I think it's leaked a little bit actually in there. Right, so looks like this. So it's quite nice packaging. It's a glass bottle and it says Rose Gold Elixir 24k gold infused beauty oil, and there is 15ml in that bottle. Directions: shake well before use, apply to face and neck morning and night for best results. So underneath your makeup, this is supposed to work as a really good primer, especially if you have dry skin, which I do. So I'm trying to see. Right, okay, here we go. Fast absorbing lightweight moisturizer infused with 24k gold and added anti-aging benefits for all skin types. The base of this luxurious elixir is rosehip seed oil. Rosehip seed is made of 77% fatty acids, high in linoleic and linoleic fatty acids, vitamin C and vitamin A, retinol, all essential for skin health. Rosehip has been found to reduce appearance of fine lines, hyperpigmentation and stretch marks. Can be applied prior to makeup or mixed in with makeup for a luminous finish. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to use it underneath my makeup. So right, give it a good shake, as it says, and then I'm going to just take this packaging off. Okay, so it's got a dropper top here. So oh, it has. I was going to say, I thought it was supposed to. Oh, there we go. Can you see it's got like little gold flecks in there? Just try and get out of the camera. It won't focus, but yeah, it's that's pretty cool actually. Right, okay, so I'm gonna pop this on my face and we'll see how we get on. Right, so we're gonna pop this on. So I'm gonna do the old drop it onto the face thing. Right, okay, so here we go. Pop some there. Oh god, there. Right, I'm going to rub this in really quick. I don't know quite how much I'm supposed to put on. I kind of look like I've just done a serious gym session at the minute. It's a bit shiny and obviously oily. Smells lovely. Really, I don't even know, to be honest, what to pinpoint that smell as, but it is really, really nice. Just trying to rub it in as much as I can to try and get it to soak in a bit more. Right, so what I think I'm going to do is leave it for about 5 minutes just to fully soak in, and then I am going to do I'm just going to do something really natural, do my makeup and yeah, see how we get on. I'll come back obviously and show you with my makeup on and tell you how it applied, if it was any different, and then yeah, I'll just keep checking in throughout the day. So I will see you in a minute. Right, okay, so there we go. There's my makeup done. I kept it very natural. Didn't do anything different to what I would normally do just on a daily makeup basis. So yeah, I have to say, so far I do like it. It's a lot different to using obviously a normal, say, silicone-based primer or something like that. So it gives you more of like a dewy base to work on rather than a blurred pore base. But yeah, I mean, I like a dewy finish, and I do feel like it's given me that. If it's going to give me the benefits of reducing my fine lines and wrinkles at the same time, then that's a bonus. So yeah, if I just give you a quick close-up. So this is what we are looking at the moment. As you can see, it hasn't really blurred my pores at all. Do excuse my skin, I'm going through a bit of a phase at the minute. But yeah, it's quite nice. It is quite nice. Whether it's worth £50 a bottle, I don't know yet. As I say, I will go through the rest of today and just keep checking in as to what my skin's like, how my makeup's wearing, and yeah, we'll have a little recap at the end. So I will see you in a few hours. Oh, at the moment it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'll check in, I don't know, tea time or something. So yeah. Right, okay, so I'm just doing a quick check-in. It is now 7 PM, and how long has this been on for now? 5 hours. So yeah, no, it looks pretty good actually. It's stayed nice and dewy, but my makeup still looks pretty good. Ignore the black under my eyes. I was cutting onions at tea time and they watered, so that's why that's gone a bit dark under my eyes. But yeah, with regards to my base and how it's looking, it hasn't, in all honesty, when I put it on, because it is so oily, which you obviously would expect with it being an oil, I expected my skin to look really like just greasy, especially by like 5 hours time. It doesn't, it just looks dewy. It doesn't look greasy at all. Even my forehead hasn't really gone that greasy or anything. So yeah, with regards to that, I actually think it looks pretty good. If I show you, see, it doesn't look what I call greasy, it just looks dewy. But that's obviously what I was after anyway, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, I'll check in again at, I don't know, before I take my makeup off later, just before I go to bed. I'll show you quickly then. But yeah, so far so good. Right, okay, so it is now 9 o'clock and I'm about to take my makeup off, ready for bed. Yeah, it still looks pretty decent, I'd say. Whether it's worn any better than if I'd had used any other primer, I'm not really too sure. And obviously I can't comment on anything with regards to the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, anything like that, because it's far too soon after just a matter of hours. You probably have to use it over a matter of weeks or months to see any effect of that type. But yeah, I mean, I still really like the dewy finish that I've got, that I wouldn't have if I had used a pore blurring primer, which I normally would. So yeah, I think I would definitely, obviously I've got it now, so I'm going to be using it regularly anyway, but I would definitely continue to use it. I like the look that it's given my skin, and yeah, it has worn quite nicely actually. It hasn't gone oily or anything like that. My makeup seems to have stayed in place. So yeah, I don't know really what more to say on it, but yeah, I probably would recommend it. I hope you found that helpful and it was of some use to you. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you, bye.